High above the clouds, nestled on the softest silver moonbeam, there is a secret place called the Sleepy Stardust Factory. Here, tiny creatures known as twinklets work through the night, wearing hats made of petals and coats stitched from spider silk. Their job is very important. They craft the sparkliest stardust, the kind that makes dreams shimmer and glow with magic. With delicate brushes, the twinklets paint each speck of stardust with colors borrowed from the northern lights and laughter caught from giggling stars. They mix in whispers of the wind and the softest sighs of the night to make the dust twinkle just right. Once the stardust is ready, the twinklets fill velvet pouches and slide down moonbeams, sprinkling the magical dust over sleeping children all around the world. As the stardust settles, dreams bloom like enchanted gardens, castles float on clouds, friendly dragons dance, and wishes whisper on the wind. The twinks tiptoe back to their factory before dawn, humming lullabies so soft even the stars sigh with delight. And as the sun rises, the twinklets rest, knowing their stardust has filled the world with wonder and joy, until the next night calls them again.